We are changing purge valve canister on this 2011 GMC Acadia. Process will be the same from 2009 to 2017 GMC Acadia and other vehicles listed in the description below. First, we need to remove the engine cover. After uncapping the oil cap, gently pull the cover out. The purge valve is located in the front of engine with intake. Remove wires and hoses out of the way if necessary. Then press this green tab inwards and gently pull the hose out, place it on a side. Then unclip the purge connector by pressing on black tab, then pull it out. Try to keep the connector out of the way. The valve is only held with one 10mm bolt. Use a 10mm socket to open the bolt. Once the bolt is loosened, gently remove the valve by moving it in 360 directions, but be careful not to break the head of canister. This is our faulty valve. And this is our new valve. It looks different because this one don't come assembled. But it came with everything we need to assemble it. By looking at the old valve, you can easily assemble the new one. Don't forget to put the gasket on, otherwise you could get more engine codes due to leakage. New one is assembled, we can match. This is our faulty one and this is the new one. Now we will insert it the same way we took out the older valve. Once it's in, start tightening up the 10mm bolt. Then plug back in the hose. And before clipping the connector, make sure it's clean, because dirty connector can also cause the check engine light to come on. Now let's put the engine cover back together and make sure it's properly placed. Now let's start the car on and see if we have any check engine lights on. and we don't. A bad gas cap can also give this code P0442. I changed my gas cap before, but still I had this code, so I moved to the next step of changing vapor canister. Let us know in the comments below if this video helped you. Thanks for watching. See you with the next one.